wanted to take 2 minutes to thank each one of you, all the people who have viewed my first video post and my second video post. That's a lot of encouragement. Thank you so much. Has this ever happened with you that you have to meet a new client but you're not feeling prepared for the meeting, and maybe you have no clue about the client, and you don't know what you're going to do in that meeting? So well, guess what? This has happened with me when I was a first time manager. I was asked to meet a client for the first time. So being a manager, obviously I thought strategically, and I thought, okay, let me understand more about the client. I went into their website and understood what they do and how we can help them and what are the services that we can sell them. So at that point in time also, we were providing project management consulting. So I had my list of services ready to be taken into the meeting, and I prepared a presentation. So the time of the meeting came, and I entered the meeting room. I greeted the clients very well, and I was feeling a bit nervous. So what I did was I actually opened up the presentation and started talking about my skills and the services that we can sell them. I think I kept speaking for about 10 minutes, and when the presentation ended, I just thanked them, and then I asked them, so what do you think about the services that we provide? Client's answer was very much blunt, and they just said that look, this is too much information to be processed right now, and I think there is too much detail that you have provided me, but yeah, we'll look into it and we'll get back to you. So later on, they never got back to us. So that was a total disaster, I know. But one should always take all the situations positively and try and learn from them and be the better version of yourself. So that's what I did. Now later on, I realized that the meeting was like a one-way conversation where I was just trying to sell. But what I should have done was I should have listened to the client a little more. So if you listen to your clients, you would be able to gauge that what are their expectations from the first meeting with you, right? And make sure you understand how you can help the client by understanding their business objectives before you actually go and meet the client face to face. So you always have an opportunity in your second meeting, or maybe after your second meeting, when you can engage the client with in a lot of ways, like through social media, or maybe through some web portals, or maybe through some remote meetings. It is also very important to understand clients' culture and their approach, especially when you are dealing with a client from another geography. So they might not be very comfortable with understanding the details of how your services work in the very first meeting. They might be just looking for a brief of what you do, and they might try to understand your business objective. So I would say always try to catch up with the pace of the client in the very first meeting. Just listen to them and you will know that how they want to approach the first meeting and what are their expectations from the first meeting. Don't try to hurry up like I did. I just prepared the presentation and started talking about it, but now I know that your successful client engagement actually depends on your success of your very first client meeting. So make sure catch up with client space. Don't talk more, talk less, listen more. Pay attention to your clients' expectations and how you can help them. And second meeting onwards, start your marketing strategy and start engaging more with the clients. So I'm sure a lot of you must be having similar experiences. I would love to know that. And what are your learnings based on your experiences? And do you have any best practices when you go and meet your clients for the first time? Please share with me. You can comment below. And thanks again for watching this video.